you won't get a lemon.
I wouldn't have got a lemon.
From Toyota of Orange.
Good afternoon, my name is Jorge with Toyota of Orange, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Carplay on your brand new Toyota. So the best three features that I like about Apple Carplay is that it's easy to use, it's easy to connect, and it's also safe because you can use your phone with your hands on the steering wheel. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to get all the best benefits of your phone mirrored on the car's display. Behind me is a 2021 RAV4 XSE Hybrid. As you can see, it has a unique color scheme unique to the XSE. This is a hybrid and it's one of our hottest sellers. So follow me as I go into the car and I'll show you how to program and install Apple CarPlay and how easy it is. Here we are in your new Toyota. So the first step is I'm going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay in your new Toyota. The first step what you want to do is to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest iOS, and also that you go into your settings, you scroll down, search for Siri, and that Hey Siri is enabled on your phone. This will get the phone ready to use Apple CarPlay. Second is you want to have a good quality cable. There's lots of cables that work just for data, that work just for charging but not data transfer. So you want to go down to like your local Radio Shack and get a good quality cable. So once we're ready with an updated phone and the cable, what you want to do is simple. All you got to do is just connect the phone and it's ready to go. And your new Toyota is going to ask you if you want that. It's going to tell you Apple CarPlay is available for this device. You have options of do not enable, enable once, or always enable. I recommend that you pick always enable. So it'll take a quick second and it's going to pop up on the screen. Actually, go to your phone and then allow it, give it permission for the car to use Apple CarPlay. So here you go. So as you can see here, I have my phone here and I have my phone here mirrored on the screen. And it's simple and easy to use. So here here are my top 3 apps, and you go here to check the rest of the apps on your phone. So that way I can use my favorite apps when I'm on the go. For example, Google Maps, I have my podcast, I have my Audible, I have my Waze, I have my WhatsApp. So if you wanted ever to go back to your car's navigation system, you look for the Toyota icon and it'll go simply back to the menus of your car. Or if you wanted to go back to the Apple CarPlay, you can press menu and hit Apple CarPlay and then it'll go back to your phone. And that way you don't have to drive with one hand on the wheel and one hand on your phone. You can just simply see your whole phone is mirrored here on the screen. Next, I want to share a simple feature that not many people know, that this car also has hands-free Siri, just like all the luxury cars do. So what you do is you see here you have the talking button here for the voice command. If you were to press it once, it's going to go to the car's national voice guidance navigation system here, where it gives you sample commands. But if you wanted to use Siri when you have Apple CarPlay engaged, you simply press and long hold the same button. Let me try it again. So once you're in Apple CarPlay, you hold it and Siri pops up. Hey Siri, how's the day going?
I'm fine. Thanks.
You're welcome. Can you call my boss and tell him I'm running 10 minutes late?
I don't see a manager in your contacts. What is your manager's first and last name?
Dante Winters. Also, another trick is to wait for the beep.
Want me to remember that Dante Winters Orange is your manager?
And just simply press yes.
Okay, I'll remember that Dante Winters Orange is your manager.
So this is actually one of my favorite features. Cancel. This is actually one of my favorite features, and I love showing this to every customer because it just adds that extra sizzle. Oops, I'm calling my boss. And every customer loves it. So I think that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to call us, and we'd be happy to walk you through every step of the process. Thank you.
You won't get a lemon.
I wouldn't have got a lemon.
From Toyota of Orange. Well, you won't get a lemon.
I wouldn't have got a lemon.
From Toyota of Orange. Well, you won't.